You guys, if you've been around for the last couple of weeks, or at least my last video, you know that I was sick. I had that stomach bug, and then I had the virus, and I just started feeling better. I went out last weekend. I was walking in broad daylight, walking shoes, tennis shoes on, had my leggings on, and I walked off of a curb, fell and broke my rib. So this is me about a week after I fell, being really optimistic about whether or not I could clean my house. As you can see throughout the video, I am in a lot of pain still, but I'm pushing through it and I'm trying to do my best to get the house picked up and just make it a little bit more tidy. In my house, the kitchen is usually that catch-all space. As you can see here, there's food and plates from the baby. She was here, I think, the day before this, and her peanut butter and jelly is still stuck to the counter. There's mail on the counter, just miscellaneous things have collected. Light bulbs my husband brought home from work, and then I'm deciding whether or not these dishes are clean or dirty, but then I decide they're clean because I just put them on the counter the day before because I couldn't bend over, or I didn't want to bend over to put them in the cabinet. But today we're pushing through and we're gonna put them away. I think this whole process, this entire video today, the small part of me cleaning up that you do see, it took me my entire lunch break, and I cut out so much time of me just kind of standing there mentally preparing to bend over or mentally preparing to pick something up or move something, because every little tiny movement is excruciating. I don't know if you've ever broken a rib, but if you have, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Breathing hurts, sneezing hurts, coughing hurts, just everything hurts.
I just wanna put my heels so tight, dance with you all night, move to my favorite song, go a little crazy to the beat, hear you talk so sweet, my heart just sings along. Baby, I don't want this night to end.
I'm really thankful that I replaced these bar stools when I did, because they are so easy to clean. So when the 3-year-old has peanut butter and jelly stuck all over the chairs and the counters and everything in the vicinity of where she's sitting, those chairs are super easy to clean. I got them at Target, and I don't know if I can even link them because I've had them now for a while, but I definitely recommend them. They are super comfortable and not too expensive.
Sort out all the lies, oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time.
Most of these dishes that I'm gonna wash here are the ones that I use throughout the day because I work from home, so I eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner, snacks, drinks, coffee, whatever I have during the day. I just kind of like put in the sink, and then usually I use my lunch break to clean up the house, vacuum, make my bed, take a shower, do all those normal things. But I'm just rinsing everything out, putting it in the dishwasher because I'm not about to stand here and hand wash too many dishes. So I'm just quickly loading the dishwasher to get this over with, and I'm standing here, I'm sure, mentally preparing for the next task.
Who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more.
I definitely don't like doing the dishes, but I don't mind putting them in the dishwasher and watching other people put their dishes in the dishwasher, like how they put them in the dishwasher. Do they just like dump them in? Do things pile up on top of each other? Is there space in between? I'm like totally watching all of the videos and I'm like, no, don't put that there. That's not going to get clean. No, you need to move that. No, you need more space. And also, I don't know if you guys have seen on Instagram, TikTok, and all that business about throwing the dishwasher pod into the dishwasher and not putting it in the little thing it goes in. Don't do that. It actually goes in that little thing for a reason, and that's because the dishwasher has a rinse cycle, and if you throw the pod or put your detergent in the bottom of the dishwasher, all of the detergent is gone by the time the rinse cycle is over. So when the wash cycle actually starts, there's no detergent left to wash your dishes. That little door is designed to open when the wash cycle starts so that you're using detergent to wash your dishes and just water to rinse them. So don't listen to TikTok, Instagram, all that. Just put it in the dishwasher dispenser where it's supposed to go. Okay, you're welcome.
No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, no, no. Yeah, I wanna hear you say that you only want me. That you only want me.
Do you guys look up at the TV every time you hear one of the songs I'm playing in this video, like someone else's theme song? And if you follow all of the big channels, you know who I'm talking about. Well, I purposely...
Is it working already?
No, we're not talking to you.
It's working. The bunny working. It's working.
Yeah, that's Gigi working. Gigi's washing dishes. You guys should see her. She's putting her face up to the microphone and talking.
I'm working. It's mainly working.
Yeah, I'm working hard. I don't even remember what I was saying now.
You have to sit down.
No, you can't sit down. No, you can't sit with Gigi, remember? She donkey kicked me in my ribs 3 days after I broke one.
Just mean you ready.
Shh. 3 days after I had a broken rib, she donkey kicked me in the side of my ribs, so I don't let her sit next to me anymore. We don't want to hurt Gigi, do we? No.
That you only want me. That you only want me. Don't need to tell you, you see it in my eyes.
I had to go back and see what I was talking about before I was so rudely interrupted. I'm just kidding. She's so cute. I don't care if she interrupts me. Anyway, I was talking about the music in this video. Do you look up at the screen every time you hear somebody else's like theme song, background music, whatever, like, you know, their song? I get all of my music from Epidemic Sound, which is obviously the same place they get their music from, and I purposely chose those songs in this video because when I came across them, I was like, oh, that's so-and-so's song, and I just marked it as a favorite and added it to my video today.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front.
Okay, now we are a little more than halfway through our video. This is my Mother's Day stuff that's been sitting here since Mother's Day. I fell the day before Mother's Day, so on Mother's Day I was laid up on the couch here, which was nice because I had everybody just waiting on me, and it was definitely one of those days where Mother was not asked or needed to do anything. But all of the stuff that they got me for Mother's Day just kind of like sat here in the living room until I decided to clean it up. I'm just moving it into my room where I think I'm going to put it away and clean everything up later, but here's a spoiler alert, I actually do not. This little pink writing board is what we were playing with when Ileana kicked me in the ribs and I about died. But it's actually really cool. It's like, if you look it up online, the name brand kind is like a boogie board, but I'll link this one. It comes in a set of 2, and I think they were only like $8 each, so you got 2 for $16. Which was really nice because the original one that I had bought for my granddaughter when she was this age was like, I think $20 or $25. But this is really cool because it has like a little delete button on it, so they can draw on like one of those, it looks like those kind of like scratch off things, like where it's got the black backing and you scratch it off and it's different colors underneath. Well, that's what this is, but it's like an electronic version of that, and it's really cool. So they can draw on it over and over and over again, and then just push the little button and it erases, and you can just keep doing that forever. That's what we were doing when she accidentally kicked me. I mean, it was on purpose, but obviously she did not know she was going to hurt me the way she did. But I did almost pass out from the pain. I didn't even cry when I fell and actually broke it, but I burst into tears immediately when she kicked me.
Oh, yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next.
I'm not supposed to push, pull, or lift anything, but clearly I don't follow directions, and I paid for it immediately. That was instant karma.
And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like, oh, yeah.
All of these toys are still here also from the day before. I made a rookie mistake and let her play with Play-Doh while I was working. Her mom brought her a little bit early on this particular day, and I put her out here with the TV and some Play-Doh, which is what that little TV tray is. And I opened a brand new thing of Play-Doh, and they're just the little ones from Dollar Tree, so it's not like a great big container. But when I came out here to put the Play-Doh away, there was like one tiny little ball of yellow Play-Doh, and I'm like, where did the Play-Doh go? I'm thinking it's like smashed in the carpet. I'm thinking I'm gonna find the container somewhere because the container was gone too. I looked high and low everywhere in the house for the container and the Play-Doh, and the only thing I could ascertain was that she ate it, and I'm 99% sure because her mom texted me like 2 days later and said after 2 days it, digested.
In your arms of gold. In your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply
Now remember I said earlier I was doing this all during my lunch break, so I've spent probably the better part of an hour just doing what you've seen me do. This video is not sped up at all. It's not like 2x, 4x. This is like real time. Obviously, if you're watching still, you can tell this is not sped up because I'm moving at like a turtle space. But anyway, so at this point, I start putting this stuff away, and I very quickly realize I am like out of gas. I start clearing off my bed with the intent to make it because I haven't made it for a week. I had COVID 2 weeks ago. I changed my bed sheets after I was sick, and that's what you see here. So now it's like time to change them again, but I don't have it in me today to do it, so I just have to wait until somebody comes home and can help me do it. But I really and truly thought that I was just going to do what I normally do and get all of this done during my lunch break and knock it out and record a video, and I was ridiculous to even think that.
With pins and patches, we carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone. Oh, yeah. Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold. In your arms of gold. In your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes.
At this point, if you're still here, you deserve a medal, and I do appreciate it so very much because I work hard on these videos and it takes hours and hours to do that. So I appreciate every minute, every second that you spend here watching. And if you haven't already done so, please hit subscribe. I am at this point 98 followers away from hitting that 1,000 follower mark, which is a super big milestone, and I'm super proud to have come this far. But if you do like this content, please leave me a comment, say hello, let me know if you're a new follower, an old follower, if you've been here from the beginning, or maybe you're here from my black door painting video, which probably more than half of my followers are from that one specific video. But I do appreciate it, and I do enjoy making these videos, so please hit that like, subscribe, and I will see you next week.
Never thought I would jump. Oh, what a fool.